Mel. Okay, so have you ever heard of a palindrome? Look at this word, pal. That word pal in drome. A palindrome is the same, it reads the same forwards and backwards. So let's take a look at the word mom. If I read it forwards, it's mom, and if I read it backwards, it's mom. Dad. D-A-D forwards, D-A-D backwards. Look at this one. Hannah. H-A-N-N-A-H. H-A-N-N-A-H. That's cool. So those are word palindromes. Number palindromes would be numbers like 22. It's the same forwards and backwards. Okay, how about 212? 212. 212. Or 565. 565. 565. All right, so check out this cool trick. Ready? If you have a number, hold on, let me get over here. You ready? If you take a number, let's say you take the number 37, and then you add, oh, sorry, let's take a 3-digit number. Okay, let's start with a 3-digit number because I don't know that it works with 2-digit numbers, but we could practice. Let's try a 3-digit number. Let's take 132, 132. And then let's add the palindrome of the number. So if it's 132 forward, let's make it go backwards. It would be 231. Okay, so add 132 plus 231. What would we get as the sum? What would we get as the sum? Oh my goodness, I can't get the equal sign. There we go. What would you get as the sum? In the ones column, I'd have a 3, right? In the tens column, I'd have a 6, and in the hundreds column, I'd have a 3. So it'd be 3, 6, 3. 363. Look at 363. It's the same forwards and backwards. All right, let's try another one. Let's try 142. Okay, 142 plus, if we go the backwards, it would be 241. What would 142 plus 241 equal? It would be 383. 383 is the same forwards and backwards. So you're going to try this trick. Now, what I want you to try is try a bunch of different 3-digit numbers. And is there a point at which it doesn't work anymore? And why doesn't it work? So it works for some. It doesn't work for all. Can you figure out what makes it not work? I think that's probably the easiest. What makes it not work? So on the sheet that is attached to this doc that you're going to complete, the first sheet is actually, you're going to be the teacher, you're going to correct the mistakes. And then the second sheet, you're making some palindromes, okay? You're going to take a number, take the inverse or the backwards of that number and add them together and get a palindrome. So you're taking a number, find the inverse of that number, and you're going to get a number that's a palindrome. You're going to practice that, but I also want you to see if you can figure out what makes it not work. And that's almost trickier than figuring out ones that do work, right? Alrighty, well, have fun with these numbers. Maybe you can teach Lily or Joey a cool trick. All right, have fun. Bye.